Question number 14. A pipe of length 0.75 meter is closed at one end. Closed at one end. With a closed at one end, so this should be node, this should be antinode. The speed of the sound of the air in this pipe is 330 meter per second. V is given. What are the frequencies of the first two harmonics of the pipe? So when this is node and this is antinode, you will get something like this. Okay. So now what is this now? This length is seen to be lambda divided by 4. So therefore lambda by 4 is equal to length of the pipe. What is it? 0.75. Lambda should be 4 multiplied by 0.75. It should be 3 meters. 3 meters. So 3 meters. And what is the frequency? Frequency equal to V by lambda, which should be V is 330 divided by 3, which should be 110 hertz. Since this is a closed pipe, only odd harmonics are allowed. Which means what? The first harmonic is 110. The second harmonic, second frequency that is been allowed is nothing but 3 times 110, which should be 330 hertz. So look for this 110, 220, 110, 330. B is the right.